Just moved and want to actually keep your new address private this time? Smart move, because the moment you update accounts, it can start leaking into databases again. The good news is a little planning keeps it quiet. Be selective about who gets your real address. Consider a separate mailing address for non-essential mail, use mail forwarding wisely, and proactively opt out of the people search sites before they republish you. At People Locator Skip Tracing, our investigation team uses lawful public records research and open source research to help you see how quickly a new address spreads and where it is showing up, so you can lock it down early instead of playing catch-up. We work only for lawful, permissible purposes, and we walk you through legitimate steps to keep your home off the radar. A fresh start is the perfect time to get your privacy right before the old habits let your address leak out again. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to protect your new address and subscribe to the channel for more practical ways to guard your home and your privacy.